Think you're a science and nature expert? Prove it now. Question 1. The tibia is found in which part of the body? The answer is leg. Question 2. On the periodic table of elements, what is the symbol for tin? The answer is SN. Question 3. Which of the following is the male pollen producing reproductive part of a flower? The answer is stamen. Question 4. About how old is Earth? The answer is 4.5 billion years. Question 5. Which of these elements on the periodic table is a noble gas? The answer is neon. How'd you do? Comment your score below. Follow us for more quizzes.